Okay, if you work on a lot of different projects all at once, you are probably already familiar with this tip of keeping your bobbins and your threads together, which can be really, really helpful, especially when you're using colors that are quite similar, but maybe one is polyester and the other one's cotton, and you want to keep those straight. And those, in case you're not familiar, all you need is a hairpin and just some sort of stopper at the end. I used a little piece of vinyl, and you can stick the hairpin in, or a bead instead of vinyl if you want, and then ta-da, it's attached. You can put it in a box together. Well, I just thought of something else that I'm really proud of. So I love using tins like this and reusing them. And one thing that I have done for a while is I'll get just little pieces of foam and glue them into the top so I can still travel with it, but it's not gonna it's not dangerous. It's not gonna poke anyone. However, when you are doing projects, you really have to change out the needles. And you want to change out the needle for the machine for each project and or type of material being sewn. So if you have a multi-material project, you might need more than one needle. However, if I'm switching between okay, I've done a little bit on this project, but I'm kind of switching to another task at the moment. I need to switch out my needle, but I don't know how to label what it's been used for. Stroke of genius, I think, right here. Maybe someone else has already thought of it. But just taking a little scrap of the fabric from that specific project and putting that in your little pin cushion or makeshift pin cushion specifically for machine needles. So I know what this project is for, and I know what I've done in this project. And so now I know, oh, this needle's for that. Because these two needles are the same type. They're from the same pack, everything. But this one has been used a lot more than this one has, because this is for something I've just done a little bit on. And this is one that's kind of old at this point and should probably be thrown away. But anyway, that is one way of keeping track of what project you are working on with what needle, if you are someone like me who likes to have 10 tasks going at once and finishing projects throughout. I'm not let's start a project, let's finish it. I'm at every stage of the project, of every project, really, at different times. All right, hope that helps.